Hey guys, what's up? This is Son from Team AA, and today I'm going to show you the tips and tricks you can perform on your Honor 7X. So stay tuned for the video.
Taking trips cause I never tripped on what they said. If you speaking from your heart and they say you're just going.
So as you know, Honor 7X rocks the EMUI 5.1, which is not the latest version of the EMUI 8.0 and Android Oreo 8.0, but still it has great tons of features. But we will not be going through all of the features. We will be just going through the important features that are listed in the EMUI 5.1. The version of this EMUI 5.1 is really great one. It is smooth and is not like the iOS like it used to be at the first glance. Now this phone rocks the nougat version of Android, which is really a bad thing for this device because I don't like the older OS versions of Android. I just need the latest ones. It has been promised an Oreo update, so let's see what happens in the coming few days. So the first feature I will be showing you are the fingerprint gestures. The fingerprint gestures are really smart thing integrated by Huawei. This doesn't need your fingerprint ID to be registered on the this phone. It can be done by anything or any finger. You can take a photo, answer calls, stop an alarm. You can even show the notification panel and browse through photos. So let me show you just one thing, and you can swipe down the fingerprint sensor from any finger you need and it will show you the notification panel. You can do the same in pictures by swiping through left and right to see your gallery. This is a really smart thing because when your hands aren't ready to do this, you can do this by gestures. Next feature I'm going to show you is the app twin feature integrated by Huawei. So you can basically make twins account of social media apps. The next feature I'm going to show you is the full view display. So to utilize the full 18:9 aspect ratio display, you can use this feature to stretch the apps that don't really support the 18:9 display. Now the next feature I'm going to show you is the eye comfort mode. So a lot of you people might read articles at night, then this feature is really helpful. You can make it warmer or cooler. It actually filters out the blue light and relaxes your eyes. So Huawei devices have a great history of not including an app drawer. You can enable an app drawer in the settings. By default it is disabled in the EMUI. So let me show you how to enable it. Just go to the settings and go to the home screen style, and you will find down right there if you want to choose a drawer or the standard one. Next feature I'm going to show you is the Wi-Fi Plus. This is an enhanced experience of the Wi-Fi. It can be smartly switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. Make sure to turn this off if you don't have a network plan, or it will really get on your nerves. And the next feature I'm going to show you on this device is the navigation keys. So navigation keys can be changed in EMUI as the way as you want. You can make it like Samsung, or you can make it like the stock Pixel. So next feature I'm going to show you is the floating dock, which is like just like the iOS thing, control center. You can use this for many different purposes. On the notification panel you also get a screen recording feature. The floating dock actually is a great feature. It can help you to go back to the application, view your recent application, or even lock the screen. It can even clear out the RAM. So the last feature I'm going to show you is the camera features. Actually the back rear camera has some beautiful mods that you might try out, and I guess you must try out because these are some of the most needed mods in the camera history. So you've got tons of mods, but my most favorite mods are Pro Photo and the Pro Video. Actually you can change the exposure settings, the focus settings, the metering settings, and you can also change the white balance settings, which will allow you for for professional photography. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel if you're new to the Team AA party, and I'm really sorry for shakiness of the video because actually my tripod is not available right now. See you in the next one. Peace.